Yo, hey, you was on YouTube. This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this foil shaver from Suprent. And there's another good thing about this thing. You can customize this foil shaver. I mean, you can print your own name or a logo on it. I'm gonna show you how. But let's unbox this foil shaver. Alright. So the box looks like this, the front and the back. But first of all, let me read the specs for you all. Alright, this is a Suprent Pro, a foil shaver with a model number FS255. Alright, got 8,000 plus RPM, 2 hours charging time and 2 hours operating time with 1400 milliamp battery. That's it. So now let's open this bad boy. All right. So this is the specs again. As you can see, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below where you can buy this foil shaver. And if you want to customize yours, I mean, print your own name or logo on it, I'm gonna tell you how also. So stay tuned. As you can see, Edo is already written. And inside, you got a little brush, charging, not charging stand, it's just a stand, not a charging dock. Okay, and you got this little bag. Okay, charging cable, and it's a USB type C. Okay, the manual. And what else? What's inside this place? I don't know. Extra foil. Okay, that's good. That's really nice. Okay, that's good. Okay, this is the foil shaver. So this is the Suprent. Okay. So this is it. And if you want to open this, so very simple. And sound check. And thanks to Suprent for sending me this foil shaver with my name on it. I really appreciate it. Alright. Yes, 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 yes. So now, if you want to buy this foil shaver, I'm gonna leave a link on the description below. If you want to customize it, you need to contact them on their Instagram. So I'm gonna leave a link also on the description below where you can contact them, you know.